How's it going, everybody? Connor here, and in today's tutorial we're going to be going over how to break down a received item into parts. So this can be useful for two different situations. One, you have an item that you want to break down into parts and you want to receive it into the system and then tear it apart so that it can be brought back to its original parent item. And two is you have something in your system that you thought was going to be an entire wholesale item, but maybe it got damaged or maybe it was later decided that it's not going to be actually sold as a whole. You can then easily break it into all of the components that come out of it. So here we have a Latitude E6410. Once we click it, you'll see in the top right that there is an option for breakdown / teardown, and this will pull up the menu to allow us to do this. On the screen, there are some models at the top that have already been received out of these laptops in the past or manually added, and at the bottom is where the breakdown items that we have selected are. So anything that's in the laptop that you've pulled out, like let's say a motherboard, heatsink, and a CPU, can then be added by adding selected. You'll then have to generate them as serial or scan one in. You can set the condition as well. So set these as used. And then those three items have now been received in, just as if you were doing it on receive inventory, but it's going to pull them out of the original parent item. And then you can also manually add a line if there's not something up here that you need. So let's add a line and then type in a new item here. So let's just select this one here. You'll see that the manufacturer is Dell. You can put in a description. We're going to have to generate the serial again. Assign a cost or quantity if this is something that would matter with this item, and then set your condition as well. Once you have all of your items serialized and the condition set, you can simply hit OK and they'll be received into the inventory. Then it'll ask you if you'd like to print them, and all is well. You'll see them here, all four of them at the top of the inventory.